សាប៊ូបោកខោអាវប្រណិតសម្អាតនិងកម្ចាត់ភាពខ្វក់ចេញពីបោកគក់របស់អ្នកយ៉ាងល្អឥតខ្ចោះដោយមិនធ្វើឲ្យខូចសាច់ក្រណាត់ឡើយដល់ក្លិន Harvest Romantic ជាប់បានយូរអាចប្រើបានទាំងបោកដោយដៃនិងបោកជាមួយម៉ាស៊ីនបោកខោអាវមានកម្លាំង Oxy Power ក្នុងទឹកសាប៊ូប្រើសម្រាប់ជំរុញកម្ចាត់ស្នាមប្រឡាក់ខ្លាំងមានប្រសិទ្ធភាពលឿនទាន់ចិត្តប្រើជាមួយសាច់ក្រណាត់ទូទៅសក់បានពណ៌បានបំបត្តិក្លិនមិនល្អចេញពីសាច់ក្រណាត់ភួយកម្រាលរក្សាសាច់ក្រណាត់សភ្លឺចែងចាំងដូចថ្មី
Concentrated with 2x powerful stain fighters in every drop versus leading bargain detergent. This formulation uses less water than the prior formula, which means that you can expect power-packed clean out of every bottle and great results on wash day. Powerfully clean, naturally fresh. The deep cleaning power of our trusted Pronite Oxy concentrated liquid laundry detergent is formulated to get out tough dirt and odors. This washing detergent delivers value in every load of laundry combined with the cleaning power and freshness of Oxy Pronite Oxy Clean Burst scent leaves laundry smelling fresh and clean. Our trusted liquid concentrated laundry detergent infuses a fresh scent to towels, sheets, teen uniforms, and more. This laundry wash detergent has a crisp, just washed fragrance. Clean rinse with low suds formula. This washing detergent works on tough grime, dirt, and stains with a low suds formula. The result is an effective, high-efficiency laundry detergent that delivers concentrated laundry washing power in every load. Works in all machines and all temperatures. Designed to work in both standard anti-washing machines, our liquid concentrated laundry detergent handles your toughest loads in all water temperatures. This liquid washing detergent is ideal for cold water laundry loads and is a high-efficiency, HE, laundry detergent liquid. The freshening power of Pronite Oxy. Our liquid concentrated laundry detergent is blended with the trusted power of Oxy Pronite Oxy plus odor neutralizers for freshness. This liquid laundry detergent powers out tough dirt and odors to deliver a burst of clean freshness to your laundry.